FGEN stock analysis and stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at FibroGen stock at 73 cents, 36% up. What I'm looking at is just a pretty decent, well-put ticker. Generally speaking, I've spent, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, called out thousands of quick predictions on my YouTube channel, and all of it has been documented. With FGEN, certainly from just the price, so like previously I was looking for to take the lows, and the lows got cleared, so that for sure you can see has delivered. Now, typically, like generally speaking, we're filling in a little supply zone. But as we're doing so, that doesn't mean that I cannot be bearish on this whatsoever. But it does mean that I'm not going to buy unless the price pulls down and shows me a double break, right? So how's that going to look like? It's going to look like something a little like this. I'm most definitely going to continue to keep you updated, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.